So npm start, then you click enter. And within a few minutes, within a few minutes you are able to see this this QR image. So this one you take your phone, because you already downloaded Expo Go. You open Expo Go, and after opening Expo Go, you scan the current you scan you can scan this, and because sometimes it may fail. When it fail, you just come here. Let me show you what you do. Just come here and you say Expo start clear. So you clear your Expo like that. Just come here, you control C to exit, and then you run this npx start expo, and you enter. So you see everything is cleared, and then now that is how we can do it within a very short time. And then when you scan it, you just come out without any problem. So that is for today. Next time we shall start styling this app. So goodbye, meet you there.